Recently, this weird quiz tool has allowed me to generate over $232.45 today using CPA marketing. That's well over $5,756 this month so far using this. And I'm also going to show you how you can actually earn about $1.60, $2.40, $1.50, $1.60, $2.40 plus minus over and over again per lead that you collect. There's no earnings potential limit to this, meaning you can do this and work with the strategy that I'm going to show you whenever you want to and make money with this whenever you'd like to. Also, it's completely free to do what I'm about to show you. To sign up on all these websites, you don't need to pay any membership or any fee or take out your credit card. It's all completely for free. We're not going to spend money on ads. We're not going to be creating content. We don't need a social media following. People don't even need to know who we are. We can be a nobody. We're not going to be cold selling anything. We're not going to be doing affiliate marketing. We're not going to be doing drop shipping. This is what you call CPA marketing. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? My name is Jay. I run 4 different 4 to 5 figure drop servicing stores every single month. My top drop servicing store made over $228,000 profit in 2020 alone. If you want to get a full 25-minute free training on exactly what I do off of YouTube called drop servicing, very similar to the concept to that of drop shipping, but instead of drop shipping physical goods and products, we are now drop shipping rare high income skills that have much more markup, a lot more revenue, and that make a lot more money per sale, and that also pay out faster. So like I said, if you want to get a free 25-minute training on my 6-figure bootcamp with over $19,000 worth of bonuses, you can go over to the first link in the description and you'll see me over there. Just as a disclaimer, the actual bootcamp is a paid program, as it is years of knowledge and skills that I've put together that personally generates me anywhere between $15,000 and $40,000 a month drop servicing. So it's very high value information that I feel shouldn't be for free on YouTube. It's a 58 video, entire video bootcamp / course, basically having me next to you, designing your successful drop servicing stores for you, and a whole bunch of other bonuses that I valued to be over $19,000 as well. But that's why I created the free 25-minute training to help out those. It's not some ridiculous $2,000 course or anything like that. It's actually very low for its price because I want people to be able to afford it, to be able to get a lot of results online. But for those that really are starting off with nothing, that's also why I created this 25-minute free training to help those with completely free value. So like I said, head over to the first link in the description and you'll see me over there. But if you also want to get tons of free courses, free giveaways on a daily basis to make money online, to enhance your high income skills, on this channel I'm uploading videos on how I make money online every single day. Could be affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, drop servicing, could be YouTube, building a brand, TikTok, making content, all sorts of content that you can use to make money online and build a brand. Definitely go down below and subscribe to this channel with the bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value-packed video just like this one. But without further ado, we're going to get straight into this video. Alright guys, so we're now at the first platform that I use to make well over $200 a day with CPA marketing. That platform is called maxbounty.com. Now Maxbounty is an entire marketplace where you can go and collect and find a whole bunch of different CPA campaigns that you can go and promote. So what does CPA exactly mean? CPA stands for cost per action, meaning instead of selling somebody else's product and getting a commission for that, you've got to get your lead or your client to take an action and you will get paid for that. So for example, there might be a company that has a landing page that gives away, for example, an Xbox. Every time you get someone to sign up for that giveaway, to enter their email and username, you're going to get a commission, or that company is going to pay you every time you refer someone to that giveaway. So what's really nice about CPA marketing, it's much more higher converting because your lead doesn't have to take any money out of their pockets. It's basically a free action and you get paid for that. All you need to do is you need to click on sign in on Max Bounty over here. It will then take you to your dashboard that looks like this. So over here you can see a whole bunch of different CPA offers. So over here you can see here is win a PlayStation 5 giveaway. So this is a giveaway that this company is hosting. Every time you refer someone to this giveaway, you're going to get $2.45, and CPA and Max Bounty pays to your PayPal account. For those of you that struggle to sign up with a Max Bounty account, it is quite a bit of a sign up process. You can go and use another website called cpaleads.com, amazing alternative to Max Bounty, much easier to sign up on, and most of the same campaigns that are on Max Bounty are on CPA Leads, but I'm already on Max Bounty, so I'm going to be using that. Then all you need to do is click on the search tab over here, and on this tab you'll see a whole bunch of different giveaways, CPA offers that we can go and promote, such as a $1,000 gas card. So what this company is doing is they are giving people the opportunity to win a $1,000 gas card, where we can go and promote this giveaway as an affiliate, and every time we sign up someone to this giveaway, we are going to get paid $1.50 per lead. And do remember, we don't have to go and create any websites, we don't have to go purchase any funnel building tools. All of these CPA offers have their own done for you landing pages where your lead needs to enter their email and their username to enter these giveaways. You don't need to create any of that. All of this is done for you. It's just up to you to use a strategy that I'm about to show you in this video to go and promote this and get a ton of signups and get $1.60, $2.40 plus minus over and over again. You'll see some leads even pay up to $80 per lead. So as I was saying, the kind of CPA offers and campaigns that I like to go and promote is anything that's got to do with a giveaway, because people love free stuff. If you can give someone the opportunity to win, for example, a $1,000 Visa card or a $1,000 gas card, the majority of people, if it's free, are going to enter that, which these are free. I mean, there's literally nothing to use by just entering this competition. There's only a $1,000 gas card or a $1,000 Visa card to gain for your lead. That's why it's very easy to convert leads into this giveaway and to get paid money per lead. And take a look at this, guys. You can actually come over to the geography section over here, click on country, and these offers are accepted in every country in the world. So you can select a specific country that you're in, and it will then filter by offers available in this country. So if, for example, if I click on Sri Lanka, apply search options, you can see tons of CPA campaigns that we can go and promote in Sri Lanka and get paid. For example, people can win like a Norton Secure VPN membership completely for free in Sri Lanka. Every time you refer someone to this giveaway, you're going to get paid money per lead. You can also click on allow all countries. Now these offers over here are accepted in every single country in the world. So no matter where you are, you can go and promote any of these. But I'm actually going to show you guys one of my most successful campaigns with Max Bounty. If I come over to the search bar and I type in PayPal and I click on search, you'll see over here, you can actually win a $1,000 PayPal prepaid card and you're going to get $2.40 per lead. So you can basically go out there, give people the opportunity to win a free $1,000. How it works is, all these people that you refer to this giveaway, this company collects all these emails. Every month they choose a lucky email to send a $1,000 prepaid card. But now you get $2.40 per person that you sign up to this giveaway, and it's very easy to convert for this. You can literally walk around, say to people, hey, would you like a chance to win a $1,000 PayPal giveaway via lucky draw competition? Here's the link, sign up. If you win, you'll be notified by email. If you don't win, you probably won't be notified at all. There's nothing to lose. You just need your email and username, and then they do lucky draw. As easy as that, then you would have made $2.40 for signing up that person to this giveaway. So the next step is click on your campaign that you have chosen to go and promote. It'll open up a page like this where you can go and build your tracking link. So click on build tracking link over here, click on contextual, and then click on text link, and you will see your long affiliate link over here. And if I paste this affiliate link into a new tab, this is what it looks like. So all your lead has to do is enter their first name, date of birth, mobile number, and continue. Once they've done that and entered their PayPal gift card giveaway, you will then receive $2.40 per lead. So as you can see, this done for you landing page is very professional, all made for you already. You don't need to do anything else. And from there, it's really simple to make money with this. This is the interesting secret little tool that I've been using to make a lot of CPA leads and a lot of conversions and a lot of money online with Max Bounty. Well over $5,700 this month, as I showed you in the intro. So this is a website that I'm going to reveal just in a bit. Make sure to keep watching, that you can go and build simple little quizzes, collect leads, and engage with your audience. So this is a very powerful tool to ask questions to your leads and basically refer them to different leads based on their answers. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on try now for free. They do have a free account on this website. Like I said, I'm going to show you just in a bit. It will then ask you to sign up with your username, I think your Facebook or your Google accounts. I've already done that. Since I've done that, it takes me straight to my dashboard. What you want to do is you want to choose your type of riddle over here, and you can choose one of these themes. So you can, for example, select this one over here to use as a base theme. And for the title, you want to type something like this. Answer this for a chance to win a $1,000 PayPal gift card. For the description, you want to say, take the simple quiz to see if you qualify for a $1,000 PayPal gift card, and I'm ready. And then for question number 1, we're going to click on question number 1 over here, and we want to answer something like the following. Is PayPal accepted in your country? For answer number 1, we click on yes. For answer number 2, we click on no. We can delete the second one, and then we can click on question number 2. For question number 2, you can type, do you have a PayPal account? And then we can choose here yes or no, and then we can delete these two because that's not needed. And honestly, those are the only 2 questions needed. We can delete question 3 all the way up to number 6. And then for the answers of your quiz, so if your lead got 0 out of 2, meaning they don't have a PayPal account or PayPal is not supported in their country, you need to have an answer for that. So I said yes for that answer if they got 0 out of 2. That means if they selected no both times, PayPal must be supported in your country and you must have a PayPal account. And then I've got an answer for 1 out of 2. So if they get yes for one and no for the other, I said here, either you don't have a PayPal account or PayPal is not supported in your country. And then for the 100% one where they get 2 out of 2, they selected yes for both. We can put here, you qualify, or you qualify, enter below. Then over here, you want to click on enable call to action button. And then we want to type it for the button text, claim your $1,000 PayPal gift card. For the link URL, we're going to paste our long affiliate link. Then over here, we are pretty much done and we want to click on save. And then over here, we want to click on publish. We want to click on publish over here. And here is your link to your quiz. So if I open this in a new tab, take a look at this. Over here, you can see answer this for a chance to win a $1,000 PayPal gift card. Test your knowledge. Is PayPal accepted in your country? Yes. Do you have a PayPal account? Click on yes, choose. And once they've succeeded, they will then be taken over to their page over here where they can enter for that $1,000 PayPal giveaway card. And the next step is you want to come back to riddle.com, which is the website we used to create our quiz. You want to copy the link to your quiz over here. You can just highlight it like this, right click copy. You want to come over to facebook.com and you want to search giveaways in Facebook groups. Over here, you want to go and find freebie groups where people are giving away giveaways like competitions, giveaways and sweepstakes, freebies and giveaways. We can go and join all of these groups with tens and hundreds of thousands of members. And all you want to do is scroll throughout the group, have a look at some comments, see if people are interested in entering different giveaways, and you want to reply to them and say, hey there, I have this $1,000 PayPal gift card giveaway running at the moment. Would you like to take a quiz to see if you qualify? You want to ask a question, not just paste your link at first. You want to show that you are a legitimate person, asking questions, showing that you are authentic, which builds a relationship with this person on the Facebook group. So it's not like to them you're a random bot or anything like that. You're a real person. If they say yes, you can respond with the link or ask them to message you and send the link over there to the quiz. When they qualify, they will then be sent over to this page over here. When they enter that giveaway, you're going to get $2.40. And I want you to take a look at this. You can go and join all these different groups, 28,000 members, 17,000 members, 47k members. You can honestly scroll down for as long as you can see, and it just refreshes and scrolls more and more with all these giveaway groups. Same with the term freebies. All you do is search down, go down more and more, join all of these groups, go and post in all of these groups, hey guys, would you like a free quiz or a quiz on how you can stand a chance to win $1,000? All those people that say yes in all these groups, respond to them with the link and keep signing up all these leads completely free. And then what you can go and do is you can use the money that you've collected from this to go and invest into something like Instagram shout-outs and swipe up features on these big Instagram pages. And for example, an Instagram page with, let's say, 100,000 followers shouts your quiz out on a swipe up feature, you can get well over 100 to 200 plus leads per day. That's well over $200-300 per day. So you can kind of understand now how easy it is to scale with this using freebie Facebook groups and then something like Instagram shout out ads from the revenue that you've made from the Facebook groups for free. So you're not taking any money out of your pocket. You're only playing with your profits. But guys, on the screen above, I'm going to leave a clickable link to a video that is about 12 minutes long that will teach you how you can get tons of leads, tons of commissions, and tons of CPA leads by posting free classified ads on websites all over the world, getting tons of conversions. This is personally how I made $1,200 with free ads, and how I show this database with over 70 free ad websites. So definitely go and check this out if you want to scale even more with affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. So click on this video over here and I'll see you there.